coordination, and enthusiasm truly captured the spirits of Jadara song. Let's give them another huge round of applause for their fabulous effort. And now, to keep the excitement rolling, I would like to invite the wonderful Nellore Sai Sahasra Singh to take over and introduce the next program. Over to you, Sahasra.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sai Sahasra Singh from 8th Smart, and I am delighted to introduce our next exciting performance for today. We have a fabulous medley dance performance lined up that blends the magic of Telugu and Hindi cinema. The first song is Mesmerizing Ellora Silpani from the movie Billa, known for its catchy beats and captivating choreography. The second is the iconic Sheila Ki Jawani from the Bollywood blockbuster Tismar Khan, a song that needs no introduction with its peppy tunes and dynamic moves. Now, let's welcome the talented 9th class girls to the stage as they bring these songs to life with their marvelous and energetic dance performance. Let's give them a big round of applause as they set the stage on fire. 9th class girls, the stage is all yours. Let's cheer them on as they perform this amazing medley.
Ellora Silpani వస్తున్నా నీ దేశీ Sheila. Drive you crazy cause my name is Sheila. Ain't nobody got a body like Sheila.
Was an absolutely breathtaking performance by our 9th class girls. Their energy, expressions and coordinations were simply outstanding. Let's hear it for them one more time with a big round of applause. Now, to keep the program moving, I would like to invite the wonderful Ajay to take over and introduce our next exciting performance. Over to you, Ajay.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ajay from 7th Park and I am thrilled to be your anchor for this exciting part of our program. The next performance is based on a powerful and divine figure in Hindu mythology, Yamraj, the god of death and justice, also known as Dharmaraj or Kal. Yamraj is responsible for maintaining orders in the afterlife, judging souls based on their deeds and ensuring that justice is served. Our talented students from classes 4th to 9th have prepared a spectacular dance performance that brings this mighty figure to life on stage. Get ready to witness a performance full of energy, drama and devotion. Let's welcome all the students from with huge round of applause.
3, 2, 1.
మండల ధర్మ పాలన దక్షకుండ సమస్త లోక న్యాయ పాలన రక్షకుండ సర్వ పాపుల శిక్షకుండ యముండ
यमलोकम भललोकम में मिलोकम यम राजा युवराजा सलामु यम धर्मराज सीट की एक नंबर हीरो वी अरे निकले निकते कुनु राजवी
రంగు 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 చెలుదమే
భంగు 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 తాగుదమే
భూమ్ 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 దుమ్ముదమే
దమ్ము 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 గుంజుదమే
హే వందనాలు అందుకో యమ రాజా వేళ జీవరాజుల వందనం యమ దేవా నుదుటి మీద బ్రహ్మరాత చిత్తగుప్త గారి ఖాత అచ్చ తప్పు లేక నువ్వు ఖచ్చితంగా చూడు దేవ ధర్మదండమే మరి నీ చేతికొచ్చదే బారెవా ఇదే పరీక్ష నీకు తగుడుగా డౌగుడుగా పొరపాటైతే పర్వాలేదు ధర్మకాత పట్టుకోని తండ్రి కొట్టకుంటే నువ్వు ఎదురులేని పాదుషావులే
జల్లు 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 మల్లెలు రాలంగా
రంగు 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 చెలుదమే
భంగు 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 తాగుదమే
భూమ్ 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 దుమ్ముదమే
దమ్ము 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 గుంజుదమే
వందనాలు అందుకో యమ రాజా వేళ జీవరాజుల వందనం యమ దేవా
రం
హరం
హరం
హరం హరం
రం హరం
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 హరం హరం
ఫుల్లు సార ప్రాంతి నిషా తెల్లవారి మాయ మగును పవర్ నిషా ఎక్కనంటే చచ్చేదాకా దిగదు చూడు తరతరాలుగా ఇదే రివాజు ఉన్నది చూసుకో తొరా భూలోకమంతా గల్లి నుండి ఢిల్లీ దాకా గద్దె మీద ఎక్కినోళ్ళు తోటి దారి దొంగలు గట్టి తినేటోళ్ళే గాని ఫుట్టు పెట్టేవాడు లేడులే
గల్లు 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 గజ్జలు మోగంగా
జల్లు 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 మల్లెలు రాలంగా
రంగు 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 చెల్లుదమే
బంగు 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 తాగుదమే
ధూమ్ 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 దుగుదమే
తమ్ము 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 కూర్చుదమే
వందనాలు వందనాలు అందుకో యమరాజా వేల వేల జీవారాజుల వందనం యమదేవ యమలోకం పరలోకం ఏమి లోకం యమరాజా యువరాజా సలాము యమధర్మరాజు సీతకి ఎక్క నంబర్ హిరోవి 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 ఎన్నికలేని కత్తెకు నువ్వు రాజువి రాజువి రాజువి
రంగు 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 చెల్లుదమే
బంగు 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 తాగుదమే
ధూమ్ 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 దుగుదమే
తమ్ము 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 కూర్చుదమే
వందనాలు వందనాలు అందుకో యమరాజా వేల వేల జీవారాజుల వందనం యమదేవా హే హే
Absolutely stunning. The way our performers have depicted Yamraja's power and justice was truly remarkable. What an intense and electrifying performance. Let's give them another huge round of applause. Now, to keep excitement going, I would like to invite Sadhika to take over and introduce the next performance. Over to you, Sadhika.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sadhika from 10th Spark, and I'm thrilled to introduce the next performance. Get ready to experience the vibrancy and energy of our folk culture as our talented 10th class girls bring to life the lively and popular folk song Kampela, sung by the amazing Mangli. This song is a celebration of rhythm, grace, and tradition, and I'm sure you're going to love every bit of it. So let's put our hands together and welcome class 10th girls to the stage. Let's cheer them with a big round of applause.
4, 3, 2, 1.
मारी रंगारी मारी मडगी आई ती जेरा हुसे वाटू बगी मेळो मळगी झुरला चमगी हारी हारे ती आंगण
give them another huge round of applause for their amazing efforts. Now, to continue the program, I would like to invite Sheikh Yasser to the stage to introduce the next performance. Over to you, Yasser.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening everyone. I am Sheikh Yasser Arafat from 8th Smart, and it's an absolute pleasure to be here today. The next performance will surely get you moving, as the 9th class boys will be performing the high energy dance to the hit song Ismart Shankar from the movie Ismart Shankar. This song is filled with rhythm, power and style, and the boys are ready to bring it all to the stage. Let's give them a warm round of applause as we invite the 9th class boys to showcase their dance skills. 9th class boys, please come forward and light up the stage with your incredible performance. 9th class.
3, 2, 1.
पता है मैं कौन हूँ? शंकर, उस्ताद इस्मार्ट शंकर।
बेफिकर सड़क सड़क कड़क पुकर स्टाइल देखो नीचे ऊपर इश 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 माटे नाम बोले तो गली हडल डबल दिमाग उंदी इधर कर ले अपने नीचे नजर इश 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 माटे हैदराबाद शहर में पूछो बे साले चार मीनार चादर घाट अंता ना दे गिर 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 जैसे नाकी गिर गिर
Shankar alias Double Smart, made in old city.
शंकर एकदम डेंजर है और एक बार आया रे बेजा रे पहली पेटी न बटा के डबल दिमागे बड़े बड़ों को हिलाते सोचो रे शंभो हर शंकरा जातरा जातरा गले गले बुरा लगले ना रे दूर बेटा तुम बुरा धुआं उड़े रुबाब को देखो रे गिरी 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 माँ की गिरी 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 माँ की गिरी 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 माँ की गिरी 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 माँ की गिरी गिरी
आपुन का स्टाइल क्या है मालूम? कि रात पोरसते साइड मार खतरनाक बीट असते स्टेप मार स्टेप मार स्टेप मार स्टेप मार स्टेप मार डीजे डबल स्मार्ट
गिरी गिरी
Senivarsi from 7th Park, and it gives me immense pleasure to introduce the next program, which pays tribute to the legendary king of pop, Michael Jackson. Michael Joseph Jackson, born on August 29, 1958, and fondly remembered since his passing on June 25, 2009, was an American singer, songwriter, dancer, and philanthropist. His timeless music and groundbreaking dance moves continue to inspire generations. Today, our boys from class 10 are ready to dazzle you with a dance performance to one of Michael Jackson's most iconic songs, Billie Jean. So let's put our hands together to welcome them on stage. Class 10 boys, the stage is all yours. Let's cheer them on.
1.
electrifying. You all truly captured the energy and charisma of Michael Jackson with such perfection. A huge round of applause for our talented performers. Now, to take the program forward, I would like to invite Devishwar to take over and introduce the next performance. Over to you, Devishwar.
Good evening, everyone. I am Devishwar from class 7. It is an absolute honor to present to you the final performance of this evening to conclude our spectacular performance featuring the high energy song Aaj Ki Raat along with the mix of other dynamic tracks. This performance is special because it brings together all of our talented high school students from one last grand moment on stage. So dear audience, let's give you a huge round of applause and welcoming our amazing high school dancers from breathtaking finale.
1.
ఏంటమ్మా ఇలా వచ్చావు డాన్స్ చేయడానికే కమాన్ డాన్స్ చెయ్
ఓకే స్టార్ట్ మ్యూజిక్
దట్స్ గుడ్
హిస్టరీ రిపీట్ అవుద్ది
Yes,
ఫైర్ కదా వైల్డ్ ఫైర్ రమ్మంటున్న రణరంగంలో సిద్ధంగున్న చావో రేవో తేలాలిపుడే డాన్స్ సై 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 అంటున్నా సరదా పడితే రారా కన్నా సరదా ఉంటే నాతో చేయరా డాన్స్ నువ్వా నేనా అంటూ సాగే ఈ సమయంలోనా బావా అంటూ ఊరంతా హోరెత్తే సమయాన బొమ్ 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 భూమే అదిరే డాన్స్ 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 తుమ్ 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 తుమ్మే రేపే డాన్స్ 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 చప్పట్లు తాళాలేస్తూ డాన్స్ 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 జనమంతా జై కొడుతుంటే డాన్స్ 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 రమ్మంటున్న రణరంగంలో సిద్ధంగున్న చావో రేవో తేలాలిపుడే డాన్స్ సై 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 అంటున్నా సరదా పడితే రారా కన్నా సరదా ఉంటే నాతో చేయరా డాన్స్ వాకింగ్ స్లోమో మనసుల సోగో Hey my golden sparrow
Vama vama kaman sing queen teddy bandang king daila daila pipi dum mala mati pod ring golden sparrow ye nengla arrow neela the life ye romba sorrow mask of sorrow nama payanda hero singing duet vera yaro couple couple goal iva singala sutna gal sangadi nanu kele ini vanda aale nitli nitli meene or gedle sutna neene nikad line nee menuk ramone golden sparrow ye nengla arrow neela the life ye romba sorrow mask of sorrow nama payanda hero singing duet vera yaro ജീവനല്ലേ തിരികെ വിട്ടാൻ മണ്ണല്ലേ തിരുത്തി വെക്കാൻ മണ്ണല്ലേ തിട്ടം മുന്നല്ലേ ചേട്ടൻ മണ്ണല്ലേ ചേട്ട ചെയ്യാവന്നല്ലേ പേട്ട തുള്ളാൻ മണ്ണല്ലേ വേട്ടയനല്ലേ
event, their energy, expressions, and spirit were eventually spiritual. Our high school students have given their best performance, making this night a performance. Let's all give them a big round of applause for their hard work and dedication. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a fantastic performance and program and creativity, talent and all that we have enjoyed today. And as we have come to end of this, I'd just like to invite here, especially our correspondent sir, Sri Chatla Narasimha Rao Garu, onto the stage. Along with that, we have a few guest correspondents from different schools. So please join the Hari Gopal Garu, just come on the stage. Let's Konda Reddy Garu. Yes, please join your hands together. And Sri Venkat Reddy. Yes, please join your hands together and welcome them. And they are also part of the grand celebration that we have just witnessed. So it's really very kind of you, sir, for joining us. Today we feel really very great. And now I just request our correspondent sir, Sir Chatla Narasimha Rao Garu, to honor them. Honor these correspondents from different schools. Yes, Hari Gopal Garu. Okay. Next, we have here Konda Reddy Garu. Please join your hands together and let's enjoy even this reception, acceptance and appreciation. Yes, and next we have E. Venkat Reddy Garu here. What a pleasure to have your presence here. Sir, you added to this beautiful and grand celebration. We are very happy with your presence. Yes.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మరి ఈరోజు దాదాపు 6:30 గంటల సేపు ఈ ప్రోగ్రాం జరగడం జరిగింది. ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో అందరూ కూడా మొదటి నుంచి ఉన్న వాళ్ళంతా కూడా కూర్చొని ఎంతో సహకరించారు. మరి వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటూ, మరి ముఖ్యంగా రేపు బాగా కష్టపడ్డారు కాబట్టి రేపు సెలవు దినంగా ప్రకటిస్తున్నాం. మరొక మారు అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాం. ఇంతటితో ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ముగిస్తున్నాం.
Hello. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's a moment to be grateful to such individuals who are really so important that they played such a crucial role in bringing out the talent and to guide the students such a way and to rock and break the stage. And here we have really such great talented personalities, and I'm esteemed to invite these esteemed personalities one by one, and they are none but the dance master, starting with Raju, the head and master of the dance master. Please come onto the stage and put your hands together. All that you cheered, all that you enjoyed. Yes, the brainchild of Sir Raju here. Yes, put your hands together once again, and it's such an honor. Then next, may I invite Subbu sir. Subbu, the dance master, put your hands together. What a mind-blowing training, guiding and perfect finishing. Well, so Subbu sir, yes, you are always in our mind. Next, may I call on the stage Sir Akbar, the great master. Ask Akbar, please come on the stage, sir. You have done really a magical touch to these children that they have rocked the stage. Well, we have here with us Sani, Master Sani. Come on, put your hands together and welcome them on the stage. Yes, we have very young, fantastic, energetic, creative Vikram. Yes, put your hands together And welcome Sir Vikram on the stage. Yes, actually you're all having that magical touch to the every tone of the music, and you made this really amazing, fantastic. In fact, no words. Everyone enjoyed. So thank you, sir, everybody, for all your hard work and dedication. Please, all of you, put your hands together once again for this great dance masters, who will be continuing to encourage others to. Yes. And now, may I invite all the school staff to come onto the stage for the photo session. Yes. All the school staff, yes, related to school, please come onto the stage. Yeah. Along with our dance masters, yes, you're also part of our Little Angels family. Yes, wherever you are, please rush up to the stage, and it would be a very beautiful spectacle or to see the scene. Yeah, and all of you are part of this grand event successful completion. Suma ma'am, please. Without you, the photo session is incomplete. Please come on. Suma ma'am, please rush up to the stage. Yes. Yeah, put your hands together to welcome ma'am Suma here. Day with a lot of memories. Hello everyone, listen to me. Today is Ma'am Suma's birthday. So let us wish her happy birthday. And the day has become really fantastic with this grand celebration.
Suma madam, please come. Many more happy returns of the day. Come.
Thank you. So my dear audience, we have also a fantastic dance master, that is Sir Samuel. He has been all through the school's inception to continuation, and is also one of the greatest dance master, but he is not here with us because he has some health issues. Otherwise, he is also one of the most encouraging, supporting, guiding, and training masters. Along with, we have here already the masters, yeah? So we also remember and thank him for his guidance and everything. So thank you once again, everyone, for making this such a grand success. Little Angels Maya 2025. So may I call now here PS on side to come on the stage and deliver his word of thanks. Yes, put your hands together and welcome PS1.
It is dear expected dignitaries, esteemed guests, and dear parents, teachers, and my fellow students. It is with great honor that I stand before you today to deliver vote of thanks for this wonderful evening. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude for our beloved management, Chatla Narasimha Rao and Chatla Rajesh sir, who for their unwavering support in making this event possible. And their guidance and encouragement had been foundation of our success. And a heartfelt thank you to our teachers who have worked tirelessly to train, guide and inspire us. Without their dedication and encouragement, none of this have been possible. A special thanks to all our participants, the dancers, performers and anchors who have put in their hard work and enthusiasm to bring every performance to life. You all were truly outstanding. To technical and backstage team, your efforts in managing sound, lights and props made this event run smoothly. We appreciate your dedication. A big thank you to all our wonderful audience. With this, we officially conclude the grand celebration of Little Angels Maya 2025. Wishing you all a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you. This is P. Yashwant Sai from 10 Smart.